Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Mercedes C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, rear defrost, climate control, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.